Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. It's Friday. I am reporting that today I officially started lifting weights. I'm taking it easy, not doing nothing crazy. But basically, I am working with the trainer. I don't have a fitness trainer. He's just giving me advice at my health club, Anytime Fitness. And basically, I explained to him what I want to accomplish, which is, getting more muscle mass. I don't want to focus on losing weight because I am doing that already. Now I just want to focus on building muscle. So, so what he told me is I don't have to do a whole lot of working out. He said it's about the quality. So I'm going to do, let's see, he said arms, shoulders, back, legs, and I added in abs. I just added that in there. But basically working every part of my body, and I'm going to do it Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. That's what I set up for myself. And instead of, I'm going to do like anywhere from 5 to 13 reps. So today I already established it's going to be 13 reps. So if I'm doing shoulders, I'm going to pull the machine down, the weight down 13 times. I rest in between. And then I'm going to do it a second time. So only 2 reps or 2 sets of 13. And then I'm going to do that. Today is Friday, so I started today. And then next week, I'm going to do it Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then the following week, instead of like doing more, I'm just going to add 5 more pounds. Every week, I'm going to just add 5 more pounds. So for example, I think for my legs, I'm going to say for my shoulders, I think it was 50 pounds that I did today. So I was working between 30 to 50